Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This will be an unboxing and review of the new Carpuride 901 Pro display unit. This will give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto inside your vehicle if you don't already have it. And this will work any place you can plug in a cigarette lighter. So if you have a cigarette lighter adapter in your vehicle, ATV, car, boat, whatever vehicle you might have in your garage, you can plug in your cigarette lighter and boom, you're set up with the Carpuride. It's got different ports on the back, which I'll go through. We'll do the official unboxing and I'll talk about the unit. I've already done a couple Carpuride reviews on YouTube that you can check out. I'll put links along the way up on top, just click on that. Also, you can plug in a reverse camera, backup camera to these units. And in my previous video, I demonstrate how to run the cable for the camera, where to plug it in, the front and the back, and what the camera looks like when it's in operation. Works very well. If you want to pick up one of these Carpuride units for yourself, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there. And don't forget, use my discount code Geofatboy for a discount on the purchase of any Carpuride unit. All right, let's get to the unboxing. This will be an unboxing and review of the newest Carpuride unit, which is a 9-inch display. It has Bluetooth, USB, TF audio and video, voice controls, USB charger port. This will give you Apple iPlay and Android Auto in your vehicle if it doesn't already have it. And it will work directly through your phone, through your cell phone, whether you have an iPhone or you have an Android type phone. Either way, it will work. You can use it through AirPlay or you can plug it in directly, Auto Link. Main features: phone link, take calls, listen to music or real-time navigation, and more. Bluetooth feature, supports Bluetooth music and hands-free calls. Voice controls, it supports Apple Siri and Android voice control. It also has a USB charger port, so you can plug in your cell phone and charge it right from the unit. It's easy to install, takes only 5 minutes, no skills are required. You can also connect this directly by FM transmitting. It also has an auxiliary output port. It also has a camera in port, which allows you to plug in a rear view camera. The in-vehicle multimedia solutions this unit will give you is a phone link, FM transmitting. It has a 1080p touchscreen. It will also accept an SD card, so you can view your images or whatever you have on your card right through the screen from the Carpuride. It can also accept a rear view camera. It has voice controls, an auxiliary input. It will also accommodate a USB plug-in. Let's open it up. Here's the screen. It comes well protected with a cover on it. Here's a look at the screen. Let's see what else is in the box. Here's the 12-volt cigarette adapter. So you can use this Carpuride unit anywhere you have a 12-volt outlet, such as this. You'll just plug it in directly like that. So any vehicle, ATV, whatever you have, what type of vehicle, or even in the house, if you have an adapter like this, you can plug this into the wall. You can use the Carpuride unit that way. This is one of the mounts that comes with it. This has a sticky back, so you can stick it to any flat surface, or it also has 4 screw holes. You can screw this down anywhere you like and then mount the unit just like this. This will slide directly onto the unit like so. Very simple. Here's another mount that comes with it. This one is a suction type mount. It's adjustable in all different directions. It swivels. It extends. So this is very versatile. This you can suction to any flat surface. This will plug directly into the back of the unit like so. It also does come with one of these that you can mount anywhere you like, and then the suction cup on the mount will suction itself directly to this. So it's very versatile. You can mount this in many different locations, inside the vehicle or outside of your vehicle. Here's one of the instruction sheets. Here's another one. This is the booklet that has all the instructions guiding you through everything that has to do with the unit itself. Here's a look at the unit. It says Carpuride down at the bottom. You can see that it measures 9 inches diagonally, so it's a good sized screen. Physical dimensions, 8 3/4 across, 5 1/4 high. The thickness, I would say just a tad over an inch thick, maybe 1 1/4 inches. So it doesn't take up a lot of room, but it does have a very ample screen size. Here's where your mounting brackets will slide in. Nothing here. On the top is the on-off button. Nothing on the bottom. Here's the side that has all of your ports. Let's go through them. The unit also comes with a microphone cable. If you want to plug in a microphone, this is the cable for it. And then this is the mic port right here. That plugs in right there. This is a TF port. This is camera in. If you have a backup camera or reverse camera, it will plug into this port right here. For AV out, you would plug your cable directly in there. And if you have a USB, it will plug in here. It will show up on the screen. This is your DC 12 volt. This is your power supply. So you'll plug this directly into the female outlet, the 12 volt outlet in your vehicle, like this right here. The other end will plug into your 12 volt outlet for power. Let's do that. It turns blue to let you know that it's on, and it boots right up. Now we can go through some of these settings. So let's check these out. Let's brighten this up. You just press the little sunshine button and drag this to the right. Let's check out the different features. Apple iPlay. This is the code that you will enter when you pair your phone to the display unit. Android Auto. This is the code you'll enter to pair it up to your phone. AirPlay. If you just want to use AirPlay through Wi-Fi, these are the codes that you will use. AutoLink. For wired iPhone screen mirroring, or for wired Android phone screen mirroring, you'll just plug it in and do it that way. Here's an equalizer. There are different settings you can select for your preferred type of music. Standard, classic, rock, jazz, electric, pop, soft, custom. This is where you customize it for your individual needs. You just drag the settings up and down like so to adjust the sound to your likings. So you can fine tune this to suit your music listening needs. Back to the home button. This is how you'll link up your Bluetooth to the phone. Make sure it's discoverable, and then your phone will show up. This is auto answer, on, off. Back to the home page. Here's where you'll plug in your USB, right here. That's your memory card setting right there, no device. If you want to transmit through FM, you'll press this button. If you want to transmit through Bluetooth, you'll hit that button. These are all the different settings. You can choose your different languages: English, Chinese, German, French, Spanish, so on and so forth. The device speaker. This has a speaker on the unit. You can turn that on and off if you want it to play through the device itself, or if you want it to play through the speakers in your vehicle. You'll make those selections right here. Right drive, restore factory settings, and your system version right there. This is your Android wired link. This is your iPhone wired link. If you want to go Android Auto or iPlay. These are the individual codes for your unit. This is for your reverse camera. This particular unit does not have a reverse camera that came with it, but you can purchase one separately. So you'll have video warning, you have your park line settings. You can drag and adjust these just by touching the box right here on both sides. That's how you adjust your park lines. Check out my other video where I show the video camera in action and you can see how well it works. Just click OK, save the settings and close. This is your rear camera mirror. If you want the image to switch around, hit that button. It also has a help button. Contact support@carpuride.com if you need any assistance. Back to home. This is your volume setting. You'll just tap the dot and drag it lower, higher. Same thing with the screen brightness. You just drag it lower and higher. Tap the brightness control. Tap the white dot. Drag it to the left to darken it. Drag it to the right to brighten it. Here's the Carpuride manual. 2.5 HD touchscreen, 9-inch portable, wireless car stereo, works with Carplay, Android Auto, mirror, Bluetooth 5.0, TF audio, FM, and Siri. So you can just speak right into it and it will operate just like your phone does. I hope you enjoyed that video, unboxing, review, demonstration of the Carpuride, the 901 Pro. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more and use my discount code Geofatboy. You'll get a discount on the purchase of any Carpuride unit. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. We'll see you next time. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.